It's Wednesday right now, and yesterday, Tuesday, the brand new motor that I put in this thing burned out after I put it in on Saturday this week. So 3 days? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 3 days. So here's the thing, the motor's not like completely burning out, like it still works, but it has a little breaker on it that keeps tripping. I'm not sure what trips the breaker. It's probably, I'm guessing it's like an amperage thing, like the motor's wearing out, so it's drawing more amps to do whatever the magic electricity does in there. The more amps, I think, is tripping the breaker. It's just a guess. If you actually know what's going on, please enlighten me. I'm not gonna put a new motor in this time. I'm just gonna take the breaker out and we're gonna see how long it lasts. I don't know if this is an issue with the design of the go-kart itself. I was watching her ride it the other day and I was thinking it might be the way she rides. She tends to like go and then stop and go and stop and go and stop and go and stop. Like she's probably on the gas pedal for like 3 seconds at a time. She just stops and goes, and I think that might be what burns these motors out. Anyway, let's get into this business real quick. Big daddy long legs, get out. Here are the two outputs from this brain controller guy. This one I replaced a while ago and it's still fine. This one I replaced a couple days ago. It's blowing the fuse. I don't know if the motor's in really bad shape. Maybe the fuse is just really sensitive, or breaker maybe is what you call it. I'm just gonna take this breaker out. And I'm thinking worst case, it burns out completely and it's not gonna work. I don't think it's gonna catch on fire. I think worst case, the motor's just gonna die. It's gonna get warm, but I don't think anything's gonna like burn. But maybe I should just take this seatbelt off just in case my daughter does so. Last thing I want is for my daughter to be riding this around, it catches on fire and she's buckled in. Here's the little breaker thingy. I'm just gonna pull the plugs on these and then make a little jumper. Now, if you can tell me what this is, it says Youngjui. So I'm gonna jumper these little boys. Probably can't see that. These two. All right, they're a little toasty, but got two jumpers here. I'm just gonna plug these in right where the fuses or the breakers are at. I think they're breakers because they reset. Maybe that's the difference between a fuse and a breaker. Well, there you go. Didn't cut any wiring, so if this doesn't work, I can always just put the breakers back in. Or just rebuild the whole cart from the ground up, put a gas motor in this baby. All right, there we go. No more breakers. So put it back together, see if it works first. Seems all right. I'll let you know if it catches on fire, okay? Subscribe to see if it catches on fire. That's bad. Subscribe.